Guys, Rear McCoy 411. I just have a simple question I want to ask you guys. Is there anybody out there who, when they do their wash and go, if they use a cream, it don't work? If they use a gel, it don't work? Anybody out there like that? Because I know I'm not alone. I can do a wash and go, and I can try every gel in the book. It's either going to flake up, it's either going to be too hard, or it's going to have a hard cast, and it just don't give me that moisture that I'm looking for. Even with the LCO method. And I have low porosity hair. So I wanted to do a review on a product that I received in the mail from COCOTIQUE. And this is actually their January box, okay? And I decided to do a wash and go using these products. Now, I only did the LCO method, but they did have things in there that I could do the LCO with, right? And this is my wash and go. It's not 100% dry, but I would say it's about 75% dry. The roots are just not dry, but it's moisturized and it's soft, and I like that. I really do. So let me just tell you what I used. Okay, so with the LCO method, and I have low porosity hair, it is a leave-in, a cream, and an oil. Okay, so in the January box, they send you out little packets. I think it was like, let's see, I used 3, so it was 6. 6 little packets like this. And this is their leave-in conditioner. These are just samples. So it took me 3 of them to do my entire head. So I have enough for one more time. And I used that as my leave-in. Now it glided on my hair very, very easily. Not hard to work in. I used for my cream the Triple Butter Curl Moisturizer Cream. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial dyes, free from petroleum and mineral oil. It's really good. And this is a 8 ounce. They actually have a coconut oil. Now, it's not loose. It is purely in the form of coconut. It has, like, you have to put it on your hand and it has to warm up before you can actually put it in your hair. Or you can just put it directly in your hair and work it in. Either or. The key ingredient to this was extra virgin coconut oil. Softens and increases natural shine. Yeah, it did that. So that was my LCO method. Now for the other product, I have a Coconut Restore Jelly. It's a styling setting jelly. So they do have that. I probably won't be trying it no time soon because I think I'm going to do everything based off creams now. So I probably won't be trying this, but if I wanted to push up my sides or something, then I would try it there. But as of using it all over my head, I'm not going to. Okay, and then you also have your cream conditioner cleanser. Now this cleanser here, key ingredients: coconut oil, shea butter, and basua oil. It's a daily conditioning cleanser that keeps the moisture level of hair and scalp balanced to perfection without harsh chemicals. This here is just a gentle cleansing that does not strip your hair. Wet hair, generously apply this cleanser and gently work in your hair, and then 5 minutes after that, rinse out, towel dry, and apply your favorite coconut styling product. I did not get a chance to use this, but I will be using this. This is just it's not a co-wash. I wouldn't say it's a co-wash, because I actually think they have a co-wash. I think, no. No, they don't. But this is it's like a co-wash. It's like a co-wash. So this is gonna be pretty interesting. Cream, conditioner, cleanser. It's really like all three of your good things in one. So, okay. Hair softening tonic. They have a cashmere hair softening tonic. Okay. That has a price on here of $1.99. I did not use this. Sprays out like a Jerry curl. I don't need that right now. But that's how it sprays out, like a Jerry curl. And it's to bring softness to dry, coarse hair. Don't need that right now. Okay. And then you have the curl mousse. It's a coconut cocktail curl mousse. It's free from everything, like we like. The key ingredients is extra virgin coconut oil. Softens and increases natural shine. This is a pretty good size. This is a 7.5 container. Pretty good. I already smelled it. It smells good. Everything on this line smells just like coconut. Everything. And this is a moisture and shine mist. $1.99 on this price. And it's basically just to shine, help you to increase shine and manageability. Key ingredients: argan oil, jojoba oil, and coconut oil. Prevents and hydrates, protect and hydrates, prevents moisture loss from hair, and adds moisturization. So, these are just some of the key products that I got from my COCOTIQUE box for the month of January. I really love it. It's coconut and restore. And after my last couple of things I've been going through with my hair, yeah, I'm just not comfortable using a gel right now. And if I think about it, my wash and goes and everything pretty much works really, really good with the cream. Leave a comment. Just let me know you want to see a video. If you have any questions about anything, let's make this an interactive channel. Okay? So, ask any questions you may have. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime that I put out a video, which is as often as I like, because I can. And it's my channel, and it's my journey, and I like sharing everything that I learn with everybody. So, but I'm just going to go for the rest of the day and enjoy the rest of this little wash and go. And tonight I'm going to try the banding method. But guess who won't be using rubber bands? Not anymore. Not anymore. My hair is finer than I thought. It's not as coarse and thick as I thought. Now, my hair is thick, but it is fine. It is fine. So it's like an in-between. Anyway, guys, remember to keep God first in everything you do. And I do mean everything that you do. God bless you all. Leave comments, questions. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You all have a blessed day.